A very good Friday, everyone, and welcome to the Weather Center. It was a cloudy Friday afternoon over the northern coastline of the Northern Cape. We also saw a bit of cloud in the vicinity of Port Elizabeth and East London. And over the northeast, we saw a flare-up of thunderstorms. And as you can take a look into our satellite loop, you can already see that flare-up of thunderstorms covering much of Mpumalanga as well as the northern parts of the Free State. Now for tonight, we're expecting partly cloudy skies with isolated 2 scattered thunderstorms over much of Mpumalanga, Gauteng, as well as for the northwest. We're expecting rain showers for much of KZN as well as for the Eastern Cape, but it's going to be fun and dry for the western half of the country. Now on Saturday, we're expecting mostly cloudy skies with isolated thunderstorms over Gauteng, the northwest, as well as for parts of the Free State. Rain showers are forecast over KwaZulu-Natal as well as for East London, but it's going to be nice and dry for the western parts of the country. If you're going out tonight, we're expecting up to a 40% chance of rain, so please take an umbrella or even a raincoat. Drivers, please be aware, we're expecting up to a 60% chance of rain for much of Mpumalanga, Gauteng, as well as for the northwest. On Saturday, we're expecting northeasterly winds for the northern parts of the country. Southeasterlies are forecast for much of the Eastern Cape. And we're expecting a strong southeasterly wind near the mother city at 40 kilometers per hour. Overnight temperatures are going to drop in the single digits near Sutherland as well as for Gaafrenet. It's going to be warmer for Durban and Richards Bay, both dropping at 18 degrees, 13 for Johannesburg, 15 for Mbombela and Pretoria. Uppington will be warm with a low of 19 degrees. Then for tomorrow, expecting a high of 38 degrees for Uppington, 35 for Kimberley, 33 near Bloemfontein. It's going to be cooler for much of the Eastern Cape, and we're expecting a hot afternoon for Cape Town with a high of 29. On Sunday, it's going to be nice and clear for Springbok. Mostly clear skies are forecast for the mother city with a high of 32. Rain showers are forecast for Durban as well as for Richards Bay. I'm expecting a high of 24 degrees for Johannesburg with scattered thunderstorms. Then on Monday, it's going to be nice and dry for much of Gauteng, where we're expecting partly cloudy skies. Mbombela will peak at 19 degrees. Durban will peak at 24. Same with Richards Bay. And we're expecting a hot afternoon for Cape Town with a high of 29.